What is going on, everybody? It is your boy Colo. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to be destroying my roof. We're gonna do a roof wrap on the Subaru. You guys, if you haven't seen the introduction to the Subaru, looks a little Subaru review, go ahead and watch that video. But guys, today I'm heading over to my buddy's house. His name is George, and he's got a YouTube channel as well. I want to make this the first and foremost. His name is Zetro Racing. He's an awesome guy. He does like professional races. I think don't misquote me. All right, I don't want to get him like, you know, I'm not trying to miscredit the dude or anything. Hold on. It's a racing channel. I'm not sure if he does professional racing or how it works, but you know, he was at Road America. He did a bunch of grid life stuff, and the dude's awesome. So go check out his YouTube channel. I don't do shout outs. I'm not that kind of person. You know, he's basically my brother. So make sure to go check him out. Aside from that, I told him that I was going to give him a new front lip for his car. Because it's for his Miata, and because I had one in the wrapper. It's actually back here in the car. I had one still in the package that I ordered that I was going to use, and I was like, dude, I'm not going to be selfish. I already have one. It's going to get torn up regardless. Why put a brand new one on? I'm just going to give him this one. So I decided to pull the trigger on just giving the thing away, man. Why keep it, you know? So I brought that for him. He thinks that's the only thing I'm bringing. But I'm actually bringing brand new rear tail lights. I'm bringing a Racing Beat intake, which is like a $350 intake. And I'm bringing the front lip. So I'm gonna give him all three of those. Try to do like a little surprise for him. He's not the easiest person to surprise. He doesn't have like crazy YouTube reaction type personality. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, so he's gonna be helping me wrap the car today, and we'll see how it goes, man. I'm so excited on that one. So I'll see you guys as soon as I get to his house. I'll start recording, and then we're gonna have a crazy awesome day. I'm gonna surprise him with the little gifts, and we'll see what happens. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Bye bye. All right, guys, we're at my boy's house. We just pulled in. Got this nice Beamer here. I'm gonna shoot him a text. I'm gonna tell him I got some prizes for him. Your package has arrived. So he says he better read it. I'll be upset if he doesn't. He went to Starbucks! Oh my gosh! What a jerk! All right, well, we're gonna have to wait for him to get home. We'll see when he gets here. Gosh darn it. All right, so since George is gone right now, I'm gonna hide the parts and do like a little scavenger hunt for him. So everything in my trunk is pushed all the way to the front from that idiot that pulled out in front of me on my last video. All right. Sorry, I don't like this camera angle. You guys can see up my nose. Here, we're gonna take the tail lights. We're gonna put them in the fire pit. All right. I'm gonna say, when you were stranded, or if you were stranded on a cold, wintry night, where would you go? To the taillights. Okay. All right. Now I gotta get the next thing. He already knows the lip's coming, so the two other things are the main surprises. And I don't know if he'll be able to use a Racing Beat intake or not, but I know these are not cheap, dude. So, okay, we got that. What else could we do? Oh, let's put this in the grill, dude. It's a little bitty grill, man. I don't know if it's gonna work. Let's see. Oh, right here, this one. All right, we put that in the grill, and then we're just gonna take the wing out of the car, and or the front lip, which I gotta show you this thing, guys. It's insane. It is quite literally brand new in the package. It's gonna look great on his car, but look at this beast. Look at this thing. It's sweet. It just had a bad oil pan bust open, man. It wasn't too good, so we're gonna go set that front lip down, And then, ooh, he's probably driving his truck, which means I gotta get out of this driveway. So, he needs to hurry up, man. I gotta pay a visit to the restroom. Oh, no, I did not. I just closed my door on my wrap. It's all good. It's all okay. Dude, that was almost really bad. So, let me go ahead and back out of this driveway, move out of his way so he can pull his ginormous truck in here. No, he's on the phone. Hello. Oh my
With milk
gosh.
and chocolate.
Thanks, man. Well,
I didn't know what you wanted.
I already disposed of the materials inside of my body, so this should be all right. Let's do this
I made a mistake. I didn't know Starbucks had a bigger size drink.
Yeah, you're done for,
That's
bro.
a big drink. That's the big drink before.
Yeah, this was the big drink. You got the. You're about to have problems. You need to go to the doctor.
I'm myself.
All right. Look at that big old beast over there. Huge truck.
Joseph said he's proud of you for not going to the haircut place.
Shut up. Dude, that was an extra like hour on the.
About making them where they would like stick out the hood.
Oh, like so straight cool air, like well the coldest air can get.
You just have like a row of ITBs sticking out the hood.
Oh, for the ITB.
Yeah.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna make his Miata. That's gonna be the dude. I've seen so many. All right. Before we even talk about that, we got a little scavenger hunt. All right, imagine you're in. It's winter time, okay, and you need heat. Where would you go?
In my house.
Okay, but the house isn't here. The house isn't here. Where else would you go?
Fire?
Oh, let's go to the fire.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna go to the fire because it's winter time and it's cold. Well, all right, well that's an obvious. You already knew the spoiler. The lip was coming.
Yeah,
Here's the lip.
I saw that.
All right, so we go to the fire. Blam! All right, so we
I don't want to burn those.
yeah, no, right? So we've got the Nutellas. All right, now you got some steak, and you need to cook them, specifically in a round grill. Where would you go?
Specifically in a round. I think specifically.
There's two grills, so which one would you go to?
Depends what type of round we're talking about.
The circular round.
They're both circular. They're both
the pizza one.
the pizza.
You gotta
one.
grill a pizza.
I gotta grill a pizza. Okay.
Bam! Racing beat intake.
What?
Yup.
What?
So I know we're gonna have to like kind of finagle it and probably fix it up a little bit, but
For what? What?
dude, bam.
What?
Yeah, man.
What?
Yeah, dude. Absolutely, bro.
Thank you.
Absolutely. So I was like, man, there's no. I'm not gonna put it on my car, so.
Do they know what this is going on?
No, so they don't. Well, I kind of actually did explain a little bit of the car, but they haven't seen the car, and I explained the channel as well.
Open the garage.
Let's open this garage here. The garage. The left side, then open the right side. That's funny. Yeah, man. That's.
Just talk about modification. Look at that.
Yeah, there you go. Now you got. Coming in at 3 horsepower. This thing is cranked full start. No.
Full start.
Here is the baby. So this is the thing that he drives around tracks really fast. Had a minor, I guess you could consider that a love tap. That's not like horrible destruction, but it's definitely not something you want. Like that's, oh, the door got, that part sucks. This part's a little bit cheaper.
This part is awesome. This part sucks. You can't take this off. You can take that off.
You can't take that. You can't buy this.
Well, you can, but it's easier just to unbolt
Oh,
this.
yeah.
Than to do that.
I didn't think about that. But look at these tires, man. So this is the Miata. It is. I know a lot of people want to claim like they've got like a race-ready Miata. This is actually like a full-on race car. Like this is an actual race car. What do you think this is a race car? Yeah, he does. All right, cool. So, dude, this is man, that's very important. That just happened, guys. So this is new news for me too. So. Oh my gosh!
I was driving it like that. Just full send.
Dude, you went straight back on the throttle right after.
Yeah, I did.
It happened that like the little crash happened, and man, he was just like, pin it, let's go. But
Pretty much.
that shows how reliable these things are. But guys, we're gonna go ahead and get the garage ready to attempt to wrap this roof, and I'll let you know how easy or hard this goes. Yeah, so we'll see you when we're all set up.
2,000 years later.
The fin though, I do want to wrap the fin if we can today. Guys, in the unfortunate event that no, I ordered some cheap crap, and it's not even, the thing is, it's not even the cheapest crap that you can order. This stuff isn't bad if you have 4 people, but trying to have 2 people pull at the same time while squeegeeing, while trying to get it set down on the center is not easy. So I'm gonna order the 3M stuff, and I'm also gonna look around some local shops, see if there's anywhere around here that has it, which I don't think there is, but we'll come back to this, and we're gonna try it again. So
I failed.
no, you didn't. Thank you guys for watching this video. Wait, we're not done. You gotta wait till I order the new stuff, and then I'm gonna record it again. Yeah, so see ya.